Welcome back to the new Cocina y Soy. I'm your host, Carmen Julia, and today we're gonna be making stream chili.
Wet with sake. Mince the ginger and mince the garlic. Let's make the sauce. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 6 tablespoons of water, 4 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of starch, 2 teaspoons of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of toanbanjan. Mix well. In a frying pan at medium-high heat, add oil, seasoning them with salt and pepper to taste. Sear the streams on both sides until there is color. Remove from the heat, bring the pan to medium heat and sauté the garlic and the ginger until it releases its aroma. At this point, reintroduce the shrimp and pour the sauce, cooking until the sauce thickens up. Serve with sesame oil on top.
And here it is, our stream chili. Don't forget to smash the button and subscribe and hit the like. See you next week.